Right, another breaking news development which is coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where Mehbooba Mufti, after initial expression of shock and sadness, is back to her old ways. Now she seems to be going soft on Pakistan, because now she says that the homes of those terror sympathizers, those terrorists, those overground workers, those people who provided logistical support to terrorists to carry out Pahalgam terror attacks, their houses should not be demolished. Mehbooba Mufti had earlier said that maybe we can look at ways of dealing with Pakistan, including talks. Let's listen to what she has said.
मेरी गुजारिश है होम मिनिस्टर साहब से कि हम समझते हैं, हम तकलीफ को समझते हैं, हम इस तकलीफ को महसूस करते हैं. तो पूरे मुल्क में गुस्सा है, मगर जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग जो उन्होंने इस तकलीफ को 30-35 साल से बर्दाश्त किया, और हम समझते हैं इस बात को. तो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जैसे जो मिलिटेंट्स के साथ डील करते हुए ये ज़रूरी है कि ध्यान रखा जाए कि आम लोगों के घर न गिराया जाए. और इसी तरह जो आपने एक एडवाइजरी की है कि जो लोग यहाँ बाहर से आए हुए हैं, पाकिस्तान से आए हुए, तो उसमें कोई ऐसे लोग हैं, ऐसी औरतें हैं जिनकी शादी 30 साल 40 साल पहले हुई है, या मतलब जिनके बच्चे हैं, ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन हैं, उनका घर तो हिंदुस्तान है, वो तो अपने आप को हिंदुस्तानी समझते हैं, वो इस वक्त इस उम्र में कहाँ जाएंगे. तो मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि होम मिनिस्टर साहब इसका सिंपैथेटिक व्यू लेंगे और इस तरह से जो है उन लोगों को अपना घर बार छोड़ने के लिए, क्योंकि आज तक 30 साल से 40 साल से रह रहे हैं और वो कभी भी उन्होंने मुल्क के खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई नहीं, कोई काम नहीं किया.
All right, Zeenat joins us live from Srinagar. Zeenat, Mehbooba Mufti back to her old ways. There's no stopping her?
Mehbooba is back to square one with the same narrative that has helped her in her career in the politics. Rather, Mehbooba is the only leader who has played the separatist politics to an extent, to such an extent that she got the post of Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir after her father passed away. In fact, we see that as far as Mehbooba Mufti is concerned, here she is making an appeal to Home Minister of the country, citing that the Kashmiris knows how the pain is like and how it felt like. But meanwhile, she is also quoting the incidents where recently the houses of the terrorists or the OGWs were dismantled by the J&K police along with the administration, because in one of the incidents at the Pulwama, where the house of the terrorists was demolished, in that incident, apart from the house of the terrorists, the locals also came under attack in this, and some 8 houses were dismantled, for which the protests were also held at Muran, Pulwama, and she is quoting one of the incidents. But there is no doubt that Mehbooba has been playing the politics of separatists for long. She is the only leader in the Jammu and Kashmir history who has been frequently visiting the OGW's militants, even when she was in power or she was out of power. So Mehbooba is playing the same tone. Again, she has been speaking for the talks with the Pakistan. She has been evoking that BJP should follow the steps of the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And again, in today, Mehbooba has been taking account of where she is saying that Home Minister should take a humanitarian view as far as dismantling of the house is concerned, and that needs to be stopped.
Right, thank you so much, Zeenat, with those updates. We of course keep close track of whatever is happening there, including of course our agencies closing in on the terror module which carried out the Pahalgam terror attack. Moving on for now, and let's look at some other stories from across the country.